Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to clean the ps3 fat. This one here, the old original 40GB. Right, I'll show you how it's done. Basically, you have to have, this is without taking it apart by the way, just to prove my point, look, guarantees it's still there. You have to have a plug like this, you have to plug it into the back, like that. You should be able to switch it like that. Then you hold down the eject button. I'll show you this way now, wait. Right, it's a switch at the back, you hold it down like this. And I'll do this. We'll go to full fans like this. My guys on hold for more to show the console. It's got the old 6GB PS3 there, got the another 6GB PS3 there, got the 3 Xbox 360 Slims, PS Vita. Yep, and that's it, that's all my consoles. You cannot do it to the 6GB model because of the fans, I don't know, it's just you cannot do it on. Just over the back. I'll demonstrate this to you again. You hold, there's an eject button on the system. There's an eject button on the system. You hold it and switch on the back. And you should do this. And then thank you for watching, and please feel free to subscribe. Remember on this thing, you can only do it with the you have to insert the cable and hold the button. There's no switch on this thing, obviously. Thank you for watching, please subscribe, thank you, bye.